Hello Year 4, here's the Endangered Animals Who Am I quiz. Now what's going to happen is you're going to be given some clues as to an endangered animal. The more clues you need, the less points you get. So at each stage, write down your idea of what the animal is, and then when we get to the big reveal, work out how many points you've got. So here we go. Who am I? I have very thick skin. So write down which animal you think that might be. If you're right, you'll get 10 points. I have a hooked top lip. So if you want to change your mind, now's your chance. And if you get it right on this clue, you get 8 points. I have 2 horns, sometimes 3. So again, if you want to change your mind, write your answer down, and that's worth 6 points. I am hunted by poachers for my horns. If you get it right on this clue, you get 4 points. My horns are used in medicine. That will give you 2 points. I live in the desert and forests of Africa. That clue's 1 point. Who am I? A black rhino. So, if you got that right on the first clue, you've got yourself 10 points. The black rhino is endangered because it is hunted for its horns. In some parts of the world, it is believed that the black rhino horn can make people better, so they use it as medicine. There are only 5,000 left in the world. So, who am I? Again, same thing. The less clues you need to get your right answer, the more points you get. I live in tropical oceans for 10 points. My shell displays a beautiful pattern of overlapping scales. I eat sponges, jellyfish and anemones in coral reefs. I am hunted for my shell. Who am I? A hawksbill turtle. The hawksbill turtle is endangered because it is hunted for its shell. The hawksbill turtle shell is used to make jewellery and ornaments because of its tortoise-shell pattern. These turtles are also often caught on fishing hooks and die. Who am I? I live in the mountains in the rainforest. I can survive freezing temperatures because I have thick fur. I can get ill from human diseases. I eat plant stems, bamboo and fruits. I look after my babies very well, and they are cared for by a big group of us. I have a lot of feelings like humans do. Who am I? A mountain gorilla. Now the mountain gorilla is endangered because it is hunted for meat. When illegal hunters kill protected animals, it is called poaching. Their habitats have been destroyed for farming and to make room for more people to live. Mountain gorillas can die from human diseases too. Who am I? I live in tropical forests. I am a very large grey animal. I have large ears and a trunk. If I am a male, I have tusks. Who am I? A Sumatran elephant. But I'll let you have the points if you just put elephant. The Sumatran elephant is endangered because it is poached for its tusks. Tusks are made from ivory and can be made into furniture, ornaments and jewellery. Their habitats have been destroyed. This is called deforestation. Trees have been cut down to make paper and other household things. Who am I? I live in the oceans of the world. I have a heart that is the size of a small car. I am louder than a jet engine. I eat krill. I weigh the same as 33 elephants. I am the world's largest mammal. Who am I? A blue whale. I think I'm going to be mean on this one, and if you just wrote whale, I'm not going to let you have it. The blue whale is endangered because there are poisonous chemicals in the seas. They are sometimes hit by ships and can get injured so badly that they die. They can get caught in fishing equipment. Who am I? I live in trees high up in the Asian mountains. I'm a bit bigger than a cat. I look a bit like a bear. I have brown-red fur. I am very good at acrobatics. I use my bushy tail to help me balance. I eat bamboo. Who am I? A red panda. A red panda is endangered because the trees they live in are cut down for wood. They are also hunted for their beautiful fur. Sometimes they get caught in traps that are meant for other small animals. Before we get on to your task, add up the points you've scored. And if you want to, you can post your results on the Padlet page and we'll see how people did. Let's see who comes top. Your task. Now, I've already set one task. If you've watched the other video, you'll know that that's to write a fact file on an endangered species. You can use some of the information in this video if you want to. And there's a couple of templates that you can download. Or I've set a to-do which has some endangered animals in purple mesh. The task that comes from this presentation is to try and find out some information about one of these endangered animals: the sea lion, the great white shark, a hippopotamus, a polar bear, or a snow leopard. And then instead of a fact file, I'd like you to write your own riddle describing the animal but without saying what it is. So like the clues you were given on the Who Am I, see if you can write some that obviously make it easier to guess the animal the further down the riddle you get. But remember, leave the biggest clue until the last line. See how you get on. I hope you enjoyed doing it. That's it for this broadcast. Bye.